Alright, boys and girls, so welcome to Burna Guitar. We have Burna Boy here and Ed Sheeran. He's always welcomed here also. So this one is For My Hand, a great collaboration there. And this is basically a 4-chord song, which goes pretty much in the same way through the entire song. So that is great. Let's start with this one. Capo here on the second, and we will start with the chords. E minor first. So that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord, C. So third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. G next. So third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And finally, we have, of course, D. So that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. So very common combo here, E minor, C, G, and D. Let's start with the song, and it starts with 1 down per chord. That's the first verse. Like this. You play that for 2 rounds. Okay, and then comes the next parts and so on, the pre-chorus, and from this point you will play 1 strumming pattern with this, and you end again with this just 1 down. The final 2 rounds of this song will be again 1 down per chord. But how about the strumming? All right, we'll see with this E minor chord, since that is the first chord. 1 round will be down, up, clap, down. So that is 1 round. So down and a short break there. So down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, down. Okay, so you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord, and the chord progression will be in the same way through the entire song. So 2 E minors, 2 C, 2 G, and 2 D. And then it will end with the final 2 rounds like it started, with 1 down per chord. Alright, so that is pretty much For My Hand, Burna Boy, Ed Sheeran. Good luck with this one, guys. Play tuned.